Hey YouTube, how are you guys doing? We are back. I know it's been a hot minute since a video has come out on this channel, but 2020 sucked, am I right? 2020 sucked. We were off all of January, and I know I teased you guys when I left that we got this cool shop, and trust me, we've got really cool shop build videos coming. That's next week. We worked on Bo's bike in a video. Those are all coming out this week. Next week, all shop build videos. So, since the shop is new, and I'm new to this area, I figured in doing a video telling you guys about the shop and what we have coming out this year, I might as well just ride around because I'm new to this area. I don't know what the hell is anywhere. So, we're gonna go have a little short jaunt. Bo's gonna choke to death. What is happening? You guys put an F in the chat for Bo. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do a little ride around and find out what's up with Woodstock, see what's around here in the shop, and we got some cool stuff happening this year. So I figure we should talk about. Let me click into my bike first, so my hands don't freeze. Hot hands. It's the only way to ride today, dude. 32 degrees, no thanks. I'll be back. Thanks, buddy. Thanks. This bike is heavy, so... Alright, we're good. What if you pushed me all the way? Alright, who needs a motor when you got a Bo? Alright. I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Oh, man. So guys, welcome to 2021. What an exciting year we have ahead of us. We are going to move on past 2020 and we are going to succeed this year. So guys, before we get this video going, we got a problem and you guys can help out. So as y'all know, towards the end of 2020, we got hacked here on the Chaseontwowheels channel. And ever since that hack, something has happened with YouTube and the algorithm, and YouTube does not promote our videos like they used to. So I have a huge favor to ask you guys. When you guys watch our videos, please hit the like button. That will massively help YouTube kind of put us and put our videos back into the algorithm like it used to, because we would like to continue making videos, and without y'all's help, we're not going to be able to do that. So please watch, please like, and help us get back to where we were, because YouTube, not only did YouTube screw us during the hack and, keep us down for like 2 weeks, but then when we got back, they're still abusing us. So we're still dealing with that problem. Make sure to do that, guys. It is a massive help. Does that person have a GoPro on with a scooter? Yes, they do. So, guys, welcome to a new year. Such cool stuff is happening this year, and I can't wait to tell you guys about it. So, one of the first things that I kind of want to talk about that is really exciting, that probably the most exciting thing happening this year, as far as I'm concerned, is obviously we have the shop. Now, with the shop, we are actually going to start taking on client work. So, client work being if somebody needs work done on their motorcycle. Now, you guys know as well as I do, I will not be the one doing the work on the bikes. That will be Brian's job. But we figured with taking on client work and doing, work on motorcycles, we are going to start making, the acronym for it is perfect. It's BTV, or what those letters stand for, are Brian Technical Videos. And now what Brian's going to do is it's going to be totally Brian. He's going to host the show. But he is going to take you through the process of doing work on people's motorcycles. So, like our first video, our buddy John from Infinite Wraps, the guy that wrapped the Panigale, he brought us his R1. So Brian's going to be removing John's Yoshimura exhaust off of his R1, and he's going to be installing an SC Project exhaust on it. And I am super excited to start adding those videos to, I'm hoping to put them out weekly. That's our plan. BTV videos are gonna come out every single week, along with a first ride and a wrecked bike rebuild. So we got a we got a lot of content coming out this year, but that is something I'm super excited for, because now we're gonna have access to do videos on motorcycles we wouldn't have normally had access to. By the way, if you guys are in the Atlanta area, we're in the Woodstock area, but it's pretty close to Atlanta. If you guys are in the Atlanta area and you want to get work done on your bike, it is kind of a weird situation, because what I'm calling the shop is a garage studio, because we're not just a garage. We're not just trying to like cycle workout. We actually record it, so it's like garage studio. You see how I got there? But the way we are going to take clients are through an application process. So if you need work done, you can request it on our website. There will be a link down below. That request will send an email to me and Brian, and then we can only take on so many people, because you guys can imagine Brian just having to do work, he would get it done fast as hell. But if we're trying to record it and put content out, we can only take on so many clients at a time. The cool thing is, if you get work done by us, you get your bike on our YouTube channel, on the Chaseontwowheels YouTube channel, which is pretty neat. And obviously, if you've got like an Instagram or a YouTube channel, we'll put that in the video. So it's a cool way to promote you guys that want to get work done by us, and then it gets us jobs and stuff like that. I think it's going to be a cool little ecosystem to work in. So like I said, a link down below will be to the Wreck Bike Rebuild Garage website, and that is where you guys can you know, see if you need work done. Maybe it'll work out and we can do work on your bike. It'll be very exciting. This is a turn lane. Okay, so now I've learned that. That's unfortunate. Sorry, white car. I'm trying to check out what's all around here. Like I said, I'm new to this Woodstock area, which is where we are here at the shop. And I'm here all the time now, and I don't even know what's around me. So another really cool thing that I know a lot of you guys are going to be super amped on. It has been a hot second since Yummy and I put out a season of the Chase and Yummy series. Well, my friends, I can happily say that starting this week, in a couple days, Yummy and I have an 8-part series that we are going to be releasing all during February. So 2 episodes a week, every week for the month of February. Chase and Yummy, the comeback season is on. We got some sponsors lined up so we could afford to do the season. If you guys know, Yummy lives kind of close. He's like 6 hours away from us right now. So because of bringing on those sponsors, we were able to like buy Yummy a motorcycle, get him to travel over here to do some episodes. So we're pretty excited to have this 8-part season coming out. You guys that are fans of Chase and Yummy, hopefully y'all are as excited as we are. We had a shenanigan of a time for a few days recording it, and I cannot wait for those episodes to come out. I think you guys are going to enjoy it a lot. The shit we got into, I am still surprised that it even happened. I don't know how it happened, but whatever, man. It did. Chase and Yummy season coming back during February. If it does well, if the season does well, who knows? Maybe we'll have more seasons. We'll get Yummy back out here and record some more stuff. Next up on the list of stuff that we've got coming for this year is actually already out if you're watching this video. So when we ended the season last year and we were going through all the hack stuff, a lot of you guys might remember I talked about creating my own channel, a self-named channel. After getting my channel hacked and then YouTube shutting the channel down, I realized that I need to be... What the hell is that? A giant spider on top of a... What? So yeah, when my channel got hacked, I was like, dude, I need some other way of making videos. I can't put everything into just the Chaseontwowheels channel. So what I ended up doing was starting a personal channel, which is something I was wanting to do anyway. But that's my channel to do camera stuff. And I'm going to be doing specifically camera car content. You guys know, if you're fans of the First Ride series, we do so much camera car work here. And I have a lot of knowledge on camera stuff. I have way more knowledge of camera stuff than I do any of the stuff I really talk about with motorcycles. So that's my channel. I'm going to be putting out weekly content, but the second video is already out. The first video was really more of a just, hey, this is a channel. I'm going to start making content in 2021. Well, that content is now starting to roll out. My first video is on there. If you guys are curious what our camera car looks like during first rides, I actually did a what's on my camera car video. It's live on the channel. You guys can go check it out. We get tons of questions on the first ride videos of, how are you getting that third person camera angle? Well, that will be a video you need to check out if you're curious about that kind of stuff. Also, these heated gloves are so helpful. It is, I think, less than 32 today, which is pretty cold for Georgia, and my hands are totally fine. What are these? What brand? Hotwire. I'll put a link to them down below, but my God, they are helpful. Now, guys, speaking of the camera cars in the first ride season, every year I feel like I'm like, all right, guys, I'm going to make more first rides this year, and damn it, I'm going to freaking try. I love doing first rides, and we've got some awesome ones scheduled for this year, 2 in particular. Now, one is one that I'm way behind on, and that's Ducati's Street Fighter. If you guys don't know, the Ducati Street Fighter is basically the competition for the MT-10. I love the MT-10. I think I'm going to absolutely love that machine. Now, that's one of the ones I'm super excited for, but, and you guys will see this, maybe not this week, but I think the following week, Mountain Motorsports got in a Ducati Superleggera V4. It is like a $100,000 motorcycle. They let me come do an unboxing video of it, and they told me that I can do a first ride. Actually, the owner of Mountain, who's the guy that owns the bike, he said that I'm gonna get to ride it before he does, so that video is coming at some point this year. Now, the problem is, right now, if you can't tell by the heated gear and the weather jacket, it is freezing. And for you guys that don't know, when it's cold outside, tires have less traction, or tires take longer to heat up when it's cold outside. So I'm not going to do any first rides for February so the temperature can get a little warmer. I just want it to be as safe conditions for me, because I'm riding bikes that I've never ridden before, you know, and most of the bikes that I ride are brand new on the first ride series. So I want to give myself the safest chance to ride these bikes. So I'm not going to be doing any first rides in February, which is fine. Guys, I don't know if y'all understand how much content we have coming out this year. Hold on. I realize I'm like on a highway thing, and I'm just going to turn around because I'm just driving away from the shop. Also, before we talk about how much content I have coming out. So I've been riding the MT-10 a lot, right? In mode 3, which is what we're in, which is the slower mode, watch how powerful this thing is now that it's broken in. Woo! That is the slow mode, guys. That is the slow mode. I'm getting really comfortable with first gear power wheelies. As you guys can see, I can just float the front. My point that I'm at now is I need to learn when to shift, because it's got a quick shifter. I need to be able to shift from first to second so I can keep floating the front wheel. Is that not so cool? I am so excited. Oh, before we get to the MT-10, sorry, I am so excited. There's so much stuff going on. In February, guys, we have 4 videos coming out every single week for the entirety of February. And so even if I wanted to do first rides in February, we don't have the slots. By the way, I'm also going to be doing 1 video every week on the Chase Bucher channel. So that's 5 videos out of my garage, my shop, that we're going to be putting out. It is going to be a busy year, and I could not be more excited. Now, to the MT-10. It is coming up to where I am finally about to buy the MT-10. If everything works out, I should be buying the MT-10 sometime in the next month. Once I actually buy the MT-10, I will let you guys know, because we're going to start modifying this thing after that. up until now, I knew I was gonna buy it, but you know, until you buy it, you don't really want to sink any money into it. So that's kind of where I've been. It's like, I know I'm gonna buy it from Yamaha, but I don't want to like do all these mods and shit to it and make it my own until like I actually own the thing. Why did I just hear a cop? I'm gonna pull off here real quick. I've got a list. I've got so much happening this year on this channel that I wanted to make sure I told you guys all of it. My ass went out and made a list of like, hey, say all this stuff. So I want to check my list real quick to make sure you guys have all the info. Hell yeah, I hit everything. I am good job, Chase. You actually said you hit on everything that you were supposed to. Hey, is this enough room to do a little wheelie? Is it? It is. Alright guys, I checked my list. I hit on every single thing that I wanted to tell you guys about, so good job me. I am now a professional YouTuber. Finally, this whole time, I've been working so hard to be that. And now, mission accomplished. And I love this bike still, just in case you were wondering. Alright guys, so that's all I got. We are back. We are making videos. And you guys are gonna help us out by hitting the like button, right? Mucho apreciado. And if you guys are in the North Georgia area and you want a van to cut you off, make sure to check out our BTV, Brian Technical videos, and that link down below, because we could work on your motorcycle and record it. And you could get to watch it. You and everybody else on the channel would get to watch work being done on your motorcycle. So I think it's pretty cool. If you guys are excited for this year, let me freaking know in the chat, fam. I cannot wait. I cannot. How many gears am I in? Wait, yes, I had enough gears. I'm excited, man. If you can't tell, I'm amped. The guys and I have put so much energy into the shop. And trust me, when you guys see all the shop build videos, you guys are going to see what the shop looked like when we started and what it looks like now. Total transformation. But yeah, guys, we got some great stuff coming out for you this year. I am excited for you guys to get all the content. I'm excited to put it out. My God, get out of my way. I will see you guys tomorrow for... I don't even know what video comes out tomorrow, but there's a video coming. Guys, I'm Chaseontwowheels. Thank you so much for riding around with me. I will see you guys when I can actually shift from first to second in a wheelie, and I'll see you on the next one. Later. Outro crew. It's good to talk to you guys again. Holy crap. Outro crew, let me know this in the comments. One, let me know you're in the outro crew by putting OC in front of your comment. And let me know what the favorite show is that we put out on this channel. Are you guys here for Wrecked Bike Rebuild, first rides? Are you here for the new BTV videos? I hope so. You know, like gear reviews. What are y'all's favorite videos? And now I want you to boil it down to one. I know a lot of you guys, especially here in the outro crew who watch the entire videos, I know a lot of you guys are always like, dude, I like all the stuff, and I love you. If you're saying that, what up, Spider? But I want to know what your favorite one is. If we were to only make one style of video, which one would you want it to be? All right, that's it. I love you guys a long time, especially longer than the other people. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.